G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 27, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. Since our last update here on this vertical line, the price has retreated more to the downside again, ever so slightly, and it's coming to rest along this descending diagonal trend line which was drawn previously. Now that's a very minor support area, if you want to call it that, but I dare say there's no major support yet. The CCI 1500 on a daily is broken to the downside again, although it showed a very slight potential of breaking to the upside, but it's actually bounced off that resistance on the daily and turned down again. Likewise on the 4-hourly, it's broken through the moving average, which is a very weakening sign of, well, it's a weakening sign. It's for shorting in positions. And on a daily, likewise, it's broken to the downside as well after a very minor rise in a bullish momentum. But again, all positions are going short. Now, if it breaks through this key diagonal trend line, the next level of support will be this support line drawn here along those bottoms there. You can see they're on a daily. At the moment, all positions looking like shorting, bit of a free fall at the moment, and especially if it breaks through this major support area, then we're looking at a very bearish environment for the S&P. But at the moment, it looks like it's just trending down along this diagonal descending trend line. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video and some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends if the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing and speak to you in the next video.